a flagship project of USAID's Strategy for Ethiopia and the U.S. government's largest contribution to the Ethiopian government's Agricultural Growth Program. Feed the Future AGP Agribusiness Market Development supported strengthening agricultural productivity and markets in the 4 high-rainfall regions of Amhara, Oromia, Southern Nations Nationalities and Peoples Region, and Tigray for the last 5 years.
The objectives of Agribusiness Market Development Project in Ethiopia have been to improve the livelihoods of more than 1 million smallholder farmers.
The project focused on 6 value chains.
The 6 value chains included coffee, honey, sesame, chickpea, wheat, and maize. Every value chain is like an industry in itself.
The Agricultural Market Development Program, called AMD, has since 2011 reinforced its activities through investment, technology, and skills transfer that particularly enabled the government, farmer unions, companies, and smallholder farmers to gain competitive advantages on domestic and international markets. Over the 5-year-long project journey, AMD has worked closely with lead farmer networks, providing a broad range of trainings on post-harvest handling and better business management skills. These endeavors eventually resulted in 263,000 hectares of land with the improved management and technologies.
Well, we've worked all the way from actual farmer-level trainings, training farmers on post-harvest loss reduction. We've trained farmers how to use new fertilizers and inputs, how to increase their yields. But training isn't enough. It's linking them to the markets, linking them also to financial institutions, getting them permanent seats on the trading floor of ECX, or even linking them into industry associations, as well as to international partners.
Additionally, AMD effectively facilitated $174 million in loans for a total of 54 farmer cooperative unions and dozens of private businesses through linking to 8 financial institutions partnered with the program.
We also assisted with over $170 million worth of loans facilitated, and many of them are for farmer cooperative unions.
This fertile ground created to access finance has proved to be the most important part of the program intervention for these agribusiness organizations to expand their markets, increase productivity and income, and to advance their businesses, ultimately contributing to the agricultural development of Ethiopia. Practically, through the program, accessing financial resources enabled most of them to acquire industrial grain processors and mills, food processing factories, warehouses, modern testing and grading equipment, improved varieties of seeds, information technology, and the ability to increase aggregation of members' produce. AMD leveraged more than $30 million in agribusiness investments and delivered 396 co-investment grant awards worth over $14 million, which allowed farmer organizations and companies to select, install, train, and use new technologies that are critical to becoming more efficient and competitive. AMD introduced and popularized 11 new seed varieties of maize, wheat, sesame, and chickpea crops in 4 of its regions where its program has been implemented, in addition to the training delivered to them on blended fertilizer utilization, lead farmer demonstrations, and seed multiplication.
Isa sanggala marra kuntaala 24 argadhe akka siraa hojii toletti hin cabne akka facamnetti seeraan otoo hin cabin otoo hin jigin sirriidhaan lama baateet gaafa lammatatti naqnu dhaqee akkasumatti hojii jig midhaansa kanattuu gammachiise isiniin jira isaatu nu gammachiise isa akkatti facaafamu.
The private sector has a big role in terms of technology access, in terms of extension support, and particularly the seed and the technology multiplication aspect is basically and will be driven by the private sector.
The project worked on improving the quality and the availability of inputs, both in terms of improved seed varieties. We've worked with DuPont Pioneer on hybrid maize seed availability. Actually, the project facilitated more than 9,000 demonstration sites at farmer level, where 1/4 of a hectare was used to demonstrate the application of improved fertilizer and improved seed.
Agribusiness Market Development carried out major cross-cutting activities with special attention to gender, nutrition, and behavior change communications.
sirriitti arganne maallaqni isaanii irraa fudhanname 51,000 inni roobi bargaatti galee ammas erga miseensa kana aaraa ajammarree kana caalaa guddina akka agarru ittan gammada.
On top of it all, the program created the Women in Agriculture Leadership Network, which reached more than 1,000 women entrepreneurs with business, finance, and leadership training and mentorship.
We've supported nearly 1,000 women's entrepreneurs in agribusiness, and these women actually had the opportunity not only to, at least for about 200 of them, participate in an intensive training program. Another 800 of them actually received mentorship, and also many of them were able to network in the conferences, in the regional networking platforms, and they've gone on to institutionalize this linkages with the Women's Agribusiness Leadership Network.
በዚህ ፕሮጀክት ውስጥ በመግባቴ ለእኔ ጥቁርና ነጭ ምክንያቱም መጀመሪያ ከነበርኩበት ብዙ ማየት በማልችለው አይኔ እንዳያደርጉኝ
ቀልጣፋ በሆነ የቢዝነስ አካሄድ መንቀሳቀስ እንድችል ደግሞ ከአበዳሪ ድርጅቶችም ሆነ ጋራንቲ ከሚሰጡ ድርጅቶች ጋር ለመንቀሳቀስ የሚያስችለኝን ክህሎት ሰጥቶኛል።
Today we are in the verge of forming an association, and once that is legalized, and I'm sure a lot of women will become part of the global market through this association.
As part of its cross-cutting initiatives, the program reached out to over 50,000 households with nutrition-sensitive agriculture trainings.
Duraan dhufneeti gurmoofneeti wal ijaarree nu yola xinnoo ishee nu yalaa kufe. Amma immoo bu'aasaa deemnee karaa hundattuu argineet bu'aasaa kana argannee xaqqamamneet itti fufnee hin hojjenne kan jennu walitti dhufu.
ALMD increased the capacity of 54 farmer cooperative unions representing 2,500 primary cooperatives and 1.9 million members through training, strategic investments, and market and financial linkages.
The AMSAP partnership is actually a fantastic example of a very well-functioning public-private partnership in Ethiopia. AMSAP brings together one of the world's leading agricultural companies, DuPont Pioneer, along with one of Ethiopia's most important development partners, USAID, to bring to fore a market-based solution for smallholder farmers.
መንግስት ወደ አስቀመጠው አቅጣጫ አንፃር ለማድረስ ከማገዝ አንፃር በኢጂፒአምድ የሚሰሩ ስራዎች እኛ ጥሩ አጋዥ አቅሞች ናቸው ብለን ነው የምንወስደው። አሁን እንግዲህ ከአራቱ ክልሎች ከፕሮግራሙ ጋር አብረው የሚሰሩ ማህበራትን ስንወስድ ኦልሞስት የሴቶች ተሳትፎ በአባልነት 78,000 ደርሷል። ይሄ ጅማሮ እኛ በተለይ ኢጂፒአምድ ላይ እየተሰሩ ያሉ ስራዎች ብዙዎቹ እንደ መልካም ልምድነት ተወስደው ተቀምረው ሊሰፉ የሚገባቸው ጉዳዮች እንደሆኑ ነው በእኛ የምናየው።
We have been working on this project for nearly 5 years, and in coordination with the Ministry of Agriculture, the Agricultural Transformation Agency, and USAID in Ethiopia, we've rolled out very interesting, impressive trainings, programs, market linkages, financial service linkages and improvements, new technologies.
Since 2011, when the program was launched in Ethiopia, it has reached over 1.2 million people, created over 6,000 jobs, and influenced farm gate sales worth $181 million.